beauty world, welcome back to my channel guys, Meg Buscano, and now we will do an unboxing on this one. Vivo Y20s 4G and then 128GB. It's 4G guys. So I will unbox this. I will show you what's inside. I will not do any review on this phone because I believe you have to use it first so that you will make a good review and honest one. So I don't think when you open this and just take picture outside, you can review that. So to be fair with the owner, with the company, I will not make any review because for me, as when I use phones, I can detect if something not nice a year already. When my phone is a year older, so I will not do any review on this phone. I just open it and show you what's inside, and I will show you the full specs on this phone. This cost 4,800 Taiwan dollar since I'm here in Taiwan. I am a Filipino, so in Philippine money, that's peso, it's roughly 8,300, something like that. Where it depends on the rate exchange. So that's it. The phone costs 4,800 new Taiwan dollar or 8,300 pesos. This phone. And we'll open this. Okay, let's start. Because I believe also guys, when you buy phone and then the specs you expected, it depends upon the price. If you buy more expensive phones, of course the specs is so high and so nice. It depends on the price you will pay, on how much you can give for a phone. So that's the specs you can get from a phone. That's what I believe for me. So I don't really have something like taking a bad review or reading something like that. I don't believe in that, because you as yourself, as a buyer, you have to think first. You have to look first which one is the you think, because the specs is all there. And then I think since have a lot of phone companies, the competition is there, so it's just the same, you know, the specs, the price is just like that. And then now if you will say that you can buy a phone if the phone is much manufactured longer time, the price will go down. It's not like that this time, because before they said phone manufacturers, phone company will make a lot of units same like this. Before they will produce a lot of units just the same, but now no more. It's not like that. I talked to someone knows, have an idea like this. He said you cannot really get lower price because for these days, because it will not lower, because phone manufacturers nowadays, they will just make, let's say 1,000 pieces for this unit of phone, and then they will make another unit 1,000 pieces. That's the supply they will give. So that's it. The phone will not go lower because they have specific number where they produce that unit of phone. They said nowadays it's like that. So let's open. Janjaran! It's like that, guys. When you open the box of the phone, it's like this. It has 4G, 6G, and 8G, but I take the 4G because of the price. I want the cheapest one, so it's 4G. Oh, have free on this box in front, have free this one, then this one. When you open the side of the phone, when you insert the SIM card, and then the insert the SIM card and the memory card, you will use that, and then this, the warranty and everything. You know, it's nice. The packaging is nice. I like. It's so clean. The inside. The packaging is clean. They do it well. I like the packaging. So it's like that, and then the phone itself here. The color of the phone, guys, is black. It has 3 colors, I think. The blue and then the black. The blue, black, black. 2 kinds of blue. I don't like the blue. I want simple. I don't want really an eye-catching, something like that. This is like this. Jan jaran, and then like that. It has 3 camera, 12 MP megapixel, triple cam, and then 2 and then 2. So that's it. So it's very nice. Even the black reflects. You can see, guys, the light. So it reflects. Oh, it's really nice one. It's the back part of the phone, and then this is the, in fairness, this is nice. Front part of the phone, nice one. When you look at the phone, and then the charger, only that. Nowadays they don't give free headphones, earphones. So that's it. I will read you the full specification of this VIVO Y20s 4G. I hope it can help you when you are hunting phones like this. The range of the phone is 8,000 to 10,000 pesos. So I hope I can help you. This is it. VIVO Y20s 4G, 6.51 inches, 720 by 1600 pixels. Camera is 13 MP, 4G to 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 5000 mAh the battery. But they said, guys, the Vivo phones are best for their batteries. It's tested. Someone told me. And the network, GSM SPALTA 2, and the network GSM SPALTE 2 bands, 3 bands, 4 bands, speed 2020 October 19. So this was just few months ago, because it's only February 1, January, December, October, November. Few months ago. So it's not really an old one, you know. So this time you can still buy for this, because it's not so old, and released October 19, 2020. Body dimensions 164.4 by 76.3 by 8.4 mm. Weight 192.3 grams. Build glass front, plastic back, plastic frame. Dual SIM, nano SIM. And display IPS LCD, size 6.5 inches. And then resolution 720 by 1600 pixels. Platform OS. Android, FunTouch 10.5, FunTouch 11. Chipset, Quad-Core. CPU, octa-core. GPU, Adreno 610. Memory, card slot micro. Internal, 128 GB, 4 GB RAM. And then have 128, 6 GB. And then 128, 8 GB. Main camera, triple, 13 MP. The wide one, the macro 2 MP, and then the 2 MP, the depth. Features, LED flash HDR, video 1080. Selfie camera, single 8 MP. Video 1080, same. Sound, loudspeaker, yes. 3.5 mm jack, yes. It can connect with Wi-Fi, direct hotspot, Bluetooth is there, GPS, NFC, radio, USB. Features, sensors, fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, proximity and compass, messaging, SMS, email, push, email, and browser, HTML5. Battery, LiPo, non-removable. Fast charging, guys. This is fast charging. Colors, purest blue, obsidian black. The price, 4,800 New Taiwan dollars. So this one is obsidian black. I got this is it, guys. I hope I help you, and then thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and ring the bell for more updates from my YouTube channel. And thank you so much. Have a good day. I hope I get a good one. But let's try. It's nice when you just look at this. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Keep safe, everyone. This is Meg Boscano.